Hi everyone, how are you guys? And really want to say thanks for 100k achievement. Finally, we could do it, and still can't believe that it actually happened. But yeah, I mean, it feels great when you reach to a particular number, which gives you some kind of satisfaction. That's what you need, right? To keep doing that stuff. So it's really a good feeling, and I'm definitely looking for creating some more videos on my journey and everything else. But right now I just want to talk about a giveaway which I'm doing. Okay, I am not a giveaway kind of guy who does this kind of giveaways a lot, but yeah, I have some things here which I would like to give it to you guys who are my supporters. So for example, I have a couple of these dashes. I'm pretty sure that you will like it because these are limited editions. You won't find them anywhere. If you'll see, these are not for sale. So it's a good kind of memory if you are associated, especially with Flutter. And then I have some more gifts. Like for example, I have this Dell keyboard and mouse, which I can definitely give to someone. And then things like this. So yeah, I mean, there are more gifts than this. I mean, I'm also giving away free Codepur subscriptions and also one-to-one chat option for some of you, so that we can talk about your career. I can give you some career advices, and I'll be very happy to do that if that helps you. So these are the plans which I could think of as of now. So the giveaway is happening on Twitter. So the link you will find in the description. What you have to do, you just have to be a subscriber of the channel. So you have to just press the subscribe button if you haven't pressed yet, and then you have to go to that Twitter link. You have to like that tweet and you have to retweet it. And you can do it by Sunday night 12 a.m. basically, which will be Monday. So you can do till that, and next week I'll declare the winners as well. We'll do it live so that there is no cheating and I really don't want to do any kind of that kind of stuff. I really want any of you to win this because all of you are my constant supporters. So and a lot of you have already actually participated in the giveaway. So if you haven't done it yet, maybe this is the right time to do it, and I'm looking forward to do more stuff. And yes, I definitely want to mention that I will be working on the Flutter Firebase series, which I promised after 100k. So that's gonna happen for sure. And there are pretty much, I mean, there are a lot of things actually I want to do, and a lot of things in the pipeline. But yeah, this is the right now, this is the thing which you should do. Participate in the giveaway. There is nothing you will lose. You will only get something out of it. So, and yeah, I mean, thanks again for believing in me and supporting my content, and always being helpful in all scenarios. Like whenever I say just like the video, subscribe to the channel, you have been doing it. And if you really are interested in knowing about my journey, what I do, how I started, then please let me know in the comments as well. And just check out the link in the description for the giveaway, and let me know your thoughts, your excitement in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.